is Arlene. It is October 5th, 2020. So today I'm telecommuting from home. So what happened today is I had apartment 315 stomping or picking up and dropping things really loud. And then, I don't know, like flicking like an amplifier to my apartment. So it was loud enough where I could overhear it on my music, which isn't a problem. But I had phone calls and phone meetings with my managers from work, and I was hearing the loud noise on the in the background, and then also loud music on and off, like turned up, turned down, turned up, turned down. So I just wanted to do a really quick video on it. So it's October the 5th. And then this also happened yesterday when I was on Zoom for school. So you can tell the difference between intentional noise and non-intentional noise. So anyways, I just wanted to do a video on it because I was busy yesterday and then today I was busy. So I didn't have time to do a video. So it's October the 5th, 2020. And this is here where I live at the Derby next to Gold Diggers. Then today, the same footsteps in apartment 315 were the exact footsteps going up and down on the staircase today. They matched.